Hi, and welcome to a quick overview of Sync 365. We're going to dig into one of our core features here, Microsoft License Billing Automation. We currently integrate with Connectwise Manage and Autotask PSA. I'm going to jump right in here and we'll have a look at the Simpsons. So once you've set up Sync 365, we're going to pull in all of the license details to the companies that you add in. So we're going to grab all the details and all the underlying subscriptions from your tenants. We surface this information here so you can easily see what subscriptions make up each of the Microsoft license counts. So if you have a scenario where you've got a subscription with a monthly term and a subscription with an annual term, you can split those out and bill them separately at their different rates. So coming in here, we've got a quick license mapping option where we can select from our billing profiles that we've added into the system. These link in with your product SKUs in your PSA, and then we can connect that to your agreement or contract. There's a number of options you've got available here. For example, we can add a username to the invoice, and this is going to list out all of the users that have that license assigned to them. We can also show the unassigned license counts that are available for these licenses. If you want to include licenses or set a minimum quantity of licenses, you can also do that here. Once this is set up, we're going to manage that license for you and automate all of your changes through to your PSA. While we're here, I'm just going to touch on one other quick custom license option that we have. Custom licenses let us add a range of different licenses based on different counts. So this can be from a count of your active user mailboxes. We can copy the quantity of one or multiple licenses already in that tenant. We can grab the count of licensed users in Azure Active Directory, or we can get only users with a certain UPN domain name. And lastly, we've got the option to use an Azure AD group to get a count. With this will create a license for you to use, just like the Microsoft licenses. So this is great for things like your managed user billing to automate that, and you can pick your billing profile and sync that to the agreement, or something like Barracuda protection for all of the active mailboxes. Here's a quick rundown of just one of our core features. We hope you like it, and we hope to hear from you soon.